So today's video is going to be another sciencey kind of experiment you can teach your kids about tornadoes. We're from the Midwest, so tornado season is real. We don't get hurricanes, we get tornadoes. So what you're gonna need for this one is some sort of jar. We have ball jars filled almost to the top with water. You're gonna need some dish soap. With mine, I'm gonna use glitter. I'm gonna have Jordan use food coloring for his. So you can use two different ones. If you don't have glitter, not a big deal. If you don't have food coloring, also not a big deal. There's other ways to show it. You could literally just do water and soap and it would still look like a tornado. This just kind of enhances it a little bit. So it's very easy, household items. Hopefully you have. You don't have to use ball jars. You can also use any sort of jar that you maybe had pickles in, or olives, or we used a banana pepper jar.
That uses a
yeah,
jar.
so anyone that has a jar. Are you excited to make tornadoes?
Super pumped.
Prior to tornado season in Michigan?
Yes.
All right.
Mine's gonna be better.
Let's do it. So we're gonna take the lids off before you dig into the food coloring there.
Okay.
Sir.
Oh my.
You need a little bit of dish soap. They said like a drop or two. I don't know how you drop dish soap, so
Like
we're just
that?
gonna do like that. That should be plenty.
That's quite the drop.
It's just a little bit.
That's a little bit.
So just a little bit of that. Jordan's gonna put a couple drops of food coloring in his, as dark as he wants it to be.
Oh boy.
So whatever you would like to do,
Just drop it in.
just drop it in.
Are you using glitter?
I'm using glitter. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of
Alright,
glitter.
there we go.
That should be enough, right?
I think so.
So we're gonna put the lids back on.
I just picture blue food coloring going everywhere right now.
Shake it up a little bit.
That's very blue.
And then you're just supposed to, you can see it in it. So you just kind of swirl it up a little bit.
Oh, there was a tornado in there.
There's a tornado. I see it with the camera better.
Boom. Told ya.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that was pretty good too.
It's all about the technique of the shake.
Is it? Okay. Should we put more glitter in mine?
No, yours is good.
So these are good ones for science to teach about tornadoes. Like I said, we live in a tornado state, not a hurricane state or an earthquake state at that. So
That's true.
I remember these like when I go to like a science museum or something like that and sit there and play with them. They look pretty cool though.
They do. Good work. Science.
Science. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.